Hello friends, I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm sharing a recipe of Egg Lababdar. This is a delicious and flavorful Indian dish made with eggs cooked in rich and creamy gravy. I hope you like this recipe. For more such recipes, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for notifications. For this recipe we need 4 tablespoons of refined oil, 4 cubes of butter, 2 bay leaves, 1 inch cinnamon, 4 green cardamom. Now we'll add 1 teaspoon of cumin seed. We'll give it a mix. Now we'll add chopped onions. I have taken 2 medium size onions. We need to fry the onions till they are translucent. We do not have to overcook the onions. Now we'll add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and we'll saute it for a minute. Now we will add 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 2 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, and 2 teaspoon of dried fenugreek leaves. Now we will saute for a minute. We will add some water so that the masala is cooked evenly and is not burnt. So once the masala is cooked, you will see the oil is getting separated. So now it's the time we'll add chopped tomatoes. I have taken 2 medium-sized tomatoes. So we'll give it a mix and cook it till the tomatoes are soft. We need to cook it in low flame. So now you can see that the tomatoes are cooked properly. So now we will add 2 tablespoons of cashew paste. I have taken 15-20 cashews and soaked them in warm water for an hour and then grind them to a paste. So we'll give it a mix. Now we'll add 1 capsicum that I have cut in small cubes. It adds a very good flavor to this recipe. Now we will add half cup of fresh cream and we'll give it a stir. As you can see that the oil is getting separated, we will add half cup of water and we'll cook it for 5 to 7 minutes, and we need to cook it in low flame. Now you can see that everything is cooked properly here. Now it's time to add the eggs. So we will add the eggs very carefully, and we will keep some space between the eggs like this. Now we will add cheese. I have taken 2 cubes of Amul cheese and grated them. So along with this, we will add grated egg, which I have boiled separately. It gives a creamy texture to this recipe. Now we'll add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and some green chilies, which are cut in half. So now we will cover and cook this till the eggs are cooked properly. Now we can see that the eggs are cooked properly. Now we will garnish it with chopped coriander leaves, and it's ready to be served. We can add some extra grated cheese and grated boiled eggs and serve with naan or chapati. So for more such recipes, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for notifications. We will also like to hear from you, so please write a comment as to what you want me to make next.